Come on, son of a truck driver. Let's see what you got this morning. Come on, buddy. Tell him warm it up. Come on. Get it, buddy. Get it, buddy, get it. They just told me this morning they're going to move back to Pennsylvania. Whoa, whoa, don't hit the truck. There you go. Kind of breaking my heart. Come on, man, get them, dude. Quit wasting these people's time. Come on now. Come on. Well, we spent a lot of summers together. They used to ride right here beside me like days and days. Get it. Get it, get it, get it. Come on, burn it up. Blow it up, Cyrus. Blow it up, homie. Blow it up. Come on. Come on, blow it up. Come out here and get you some more room. There you go. There you go, Cyrus. Hey, he told me they're going to move back to Pennsylvania. Yeah, it's breaking my heart. Now that dude, when he was a little boy, his dad, I'm talking 8, 9, 10 years old, his dad would bring him to work. They'd meet me in the morning. And he would sit here and go, hey man, he wants to ride with you all day. And he would sit, I go cut cushions out of cars. I'd cut the, cut the foam nice and I'd hook him up. He can't blow it up. He can't blow it up. He can't blow it up. Yeah, the whole family's going up there. They're actually from Pennsylvania. Get it, Cyrus. There you go. Get it. There you go. There you go. Son of a truck driver, blow it up, buddy.
My tires lock it up.
Huh?
Tires don't lock up so fast.
Yeah, he was like, I gotta find a wheel. I gotta find a wheel. I said, man, it's on the back. Who cares? He can't blow it up. I told him to blow it up. And it ain't gonna die. Uh-oh, I think he's wanting some more. Get it, Cyrus. This is yours, man. Get it. Hey, but where he's going, he gets to do donuts in the snow. Snow donuts are the bomb. I gotta go to work. Alright, son of a truck driver. We'll blow it up next time you're here. Get it, 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 get it. Get it. That's what he needs to do, build up a head of steam. Oh, his dad's leaving. He's gonna have to load up. Whoa, awesome. Get it, son of a truck driver. All right, let's go do some work. That's my buddy. That's my buddy. Man, he used to sit right here and just, we'd hang out, work. He wouldn't complain about nothing. Nothing. All right, where's Mario? He's behind there. Y'all can still hear him trying to get it. Son of a truck driver trying to blow up a Ford Aspire. They just don't want to. It ain't ready. It don't even sound like it's hurting. He's still at it. That's how you do it, Bubba. That's how you do it, Bubba. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, Bubba. Real good kid. Real good young man. Oh, golly, y'all should have seen that one. Hey, do it again. Do it again. Y'all got to see that one. He did pretty good on that one. Let's see if he does it again. Y'all hear that car going? He's trying. I told him, blow it up, brother. Blow it up. Blow it up, brother. I'll get another donut machine. They probably won't. That's how you do it. Woo! I'm sorry, folks. That's my little buddy right there. He ain't no little boy buddy either. That's a big old boy. Listen to him. Oh my God, get it, buddy, get it. Oh, I'm so happy for him. And sad at the same time. I guess this Honda's gonna get it. Come up out of there. Huh? That's how you rip a motor out. That's how you rip a motor out. He's backed up as just as far as he can back up in the yard. I think he's gonna make another run at it. He did something I didn't have the guts to do, to be honest with you. I didn't want to go in the band because I thought people were going to make fun of me. I was a kid, I didn't know better. He didn't care. He got in band. Get it, Cyrus. Get it, Cyrus. Get it. Oh, man. That kid's awesome. Oh my gosh, he's still trying. Get it. That is the greatest Ford Aspire ever made. The only one. This was like the... that was the one. Oh my God, that's hilarious. Oh my gosh, who would have thought it? Get it, buddy. Get it. He ain't gonna blow that car up. He's trying. He'll probably, I mean, maybe a transmission will break sooner or later, but he's flying through them gears. Listen to him. He's trying. He's trying hard. That's awesome. That's awesome. I need this guy to crush. He's got this gate. I'm starting to get claustrophobic. See how tight that gate is? Man, I wish they'd have put this crusher in the back of the property. Watch out, Mario. Uh-oh. Oh, he parked it. He's over trying to blow it up. There you go. Save it for next time. Save it for next time. Now Dad's revving his motor. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right, folks. Son of truck driver. I love you, man.